Welcome to this week's Top 5 featuring the Corgi Avro Lancaster. At 5 is the Corgi Avro Lancaster G for George at the Royal Australian Air Force Museum. At number 4 is the iconic East Kirkby Just Jane. At 3 is the big man himself, Guy Gibson, 617 Squadron. This week's number 2 is my first ever Lancaster. It's S for Sugar at the RAF Museum, Hendon. And this week's number 1 is the Corgi Lancaster Phantom of the Ruhr Bbmf Model Zone exclusive.